How to set up Google Spreadsheet. To set up a Google Spreadsheet, follow these steps. 1. Access Google Sheets. Go to the Google Sheets website, https://sheets.google.com, or open Google Drive, https://drive.google.com, and click on the New button, then select Google Sheets. 2. Create a new spreadsheet. Click on the plus blank option to create a new, empty spreadsheet. 3. Name your spreadsheet. Enter a name for your spreadsheet by clicking on Untitled Spreadsheet at the top left corner and typing in your desired name. 4. Add headers. In the first row, row 1, enter headers for your columns. Headers are the titles or labels for each column and describe the type of data that will be entered in each column. 5. Enter data. Start entering your data below the headers, in rows beneath row 1. Each row represents a separate entry or record, and each column contains specific information related to that entry. 6. Format your data. Format your data as needed by applying formatting options such as font styles, colors, alignment, and borders. You can also format numbers, dates, and text to display in a specific way. 7. Add additional sheets, optional. If you need multiple sheets within the same spreadsheet, click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner to add additional sheets. Each sheet can contain different sets of data or serve different purposes. 8. Share your spreadsheet. To share your spreadsheet with others, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the spreadsheet with and set their permissions: view only, edit, comment. 9. Collaborate in real time. Google Sheets allows for real-time collaboration, meaning multiple users can work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously. Changes made by one user are instantly visible to others, making collaboration seamless. 10. Save your spreadsheet. Google Sheets automatically saves your changes as you work. There's no need to manually save your spreadsheet. However, if you want to create a backup or save a specific version, you can go to File Download and select the format you want to download, example Excel, PDF. 11. Access your spreadsheet anywhere. Since Google Sheets is cloud-based, you can access your spreadsheet from any device with an internet connection. Simply log into your Google account and open Google Sheets to access your spreadsheets. By following these steps, you can set up and start using a Google spreadsheet for organizing and managing your data effectively.